In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect QuickBooks API to N8N. Let's walk through the process step by step so that you can seamlessly integrate these tools and streamline your workflow to its fullest potential. Before we dive in, be sure that you have admin access to both QuickBooks Online and N8N. This setup demands precise handling, especially when dealing with sensitive data. First up, let's access the Credentials section within N8N. As you launch N8N, you'll see the interface dashboard. From the left sidebar, there's an option labeled Credentials. Go ahead and click on that. This area serves as a centralized hub for managing all your authentication details in one place. Now, let's create a new credential specifically for QuickBooks. Once you're in the Credentials section, click on the button that says Create New. A list of various applications and APIs that N8N can interface with will appear. You'll want to scroll through this list to find QuickBooks Online. Click on it once you've located it. With QuickBooks Online selected, we're establishing the basis for our connection by proceeding with the particular settings required by the QuickBooks API. Next, you need to pick your authentication method. For QuickBooks, OAuth 2 is what we need. It's a robust and secure protocol used for obtaining permission from users while maintaining the utmost privacy of their credentials. So, be sure to select OAuth 2 as the authentication method. Doing so will unveil a series of fields requiring specific data input. The following step revolves around setting up OAuth 2 credentials. For this part, you'll need to head over to the QuickBooks Developer Console. Detailed documentation for creating these OAuth 2 credentials is found in the QuickBooks Online Node documentation. Make sure to follow every instruction provided there carefully. A crucial note here is to make sure the QuickBooks Online API is enabled for your project. This activation ensures your application has the right permissions to interact successfully with your QuickBooks data. Once you've completed setting up the OAuth 2 credentials, it's time to input these details back into N8N. You'll be entering your client ID, client secret, and the OAuth 2 redirect URI in the credential configuration fields provided on N8N. These details might seem technical, but enter them precisely as they appear in your QuickBooks Developer Console. They serve as the keys for a smooth operation between QuickBooks and N8N. Finally, after you've populated all the necessary fields with your credentials, hit the Save button. This action stores your QuickBooks Online credentials securely within N8N. By doing so, your connection is now set. You're ready to start building powerful automation workflows using QuickBooks data within N8N. And that's a wrap! You've just successfully connected QuickBooks API to N8N. This setup lays the foundation for boosting productivity and efficiency through automated processes. Feel free to explore more possibilities with your newly connected setup.